Let's stop fucking around for a second. It's 11:45 p.m. You told yourself you were going to sleep early. You laid down at 10:30, completely exhausted, ready to get a solid 8 hours. But then, almost like an involuntary muscle spasm, your hand reached over, picked up your phone, and unlocked it. Cut to 2 hours later. You're lying in the pitch dark, glowing rectangle 2 inches from your nose, watching a video of some guy in Texas making a brisket at 3 a.m., or scrolling through comments arguing about whether a random celebrity is a terrible person. Your eyes burn. Your brain feels like overcooked oatmeal, and you're sitting there thinking, what the fuck am I doing with my life? Listen to me. You're not lazy. You don't lack willpower. You're not broken. Your brain is currently being held hostage by multi-billion-dollar algorithms engineered by the smartest software developers on the planet, specifically designed to turn your focus into a cash cow. The average American spends over 6 hours a day looking at a screen. That's almost half of your waking existence, consuming other people's lives instead of living your own. We call it brain rot, but let's call it what it actually is: a slow-motion execution of your own potential. In this video, we're not doing that surface-level put your phone in gray mode and meditate bullshit. We're going to talk about why this is happening, the philosophical trap you've fallen into, and 3 realistic, no BS ways to reclaim your mind.
To fix this shit, you first have to understand how you got tricked. Your brain evolved in a world where dopamine was rare. Back when we were hunter-gatherers, if you found a bush full of berries, your brain dumped dopamine into your system so you'd remember, hey, eat these, don't starve. High effort, high reward. Fast forward to today. You're sitting on a sagging couch in Target sweatpants, and within 30 seconds of tapping an app, you can see a high-speed car chase, a crazy street fight in Chicago, a hot person, and an argument about politics. You get the dopamine burst of a hunter-gatherer discovering a gold mine, except you didn't move a single fucking muscle. With the tech world, they call this the variable reward system. It's the exact same psychological mechanism as a slot machine in Vegas. You pull the lever, you swipe down to refresh, and maybe you get a hit of comedy, maybe you get outrage, maybe you get nothing. That uncertainty keeps you hooked. The result? You develop what neuroscientists call attentional fragmentation. You can't watch a 10-minute YouTube video without opening TikTok. You can't watch a movie without checking Instagram during the slow dialogue scenes. You can't even take a dump without bringing a digital portal with you. You're living in a constant state of micro-distraction. You are present nowhere.
Now let's get philosophical for a minute, because this goes way deeper than just screen time. There's a 19th century philosopher named Soren Kierkegaard. He wrote about a concept called anxiety of availability and the danger of living through distraction. Kierkegaard argued that when life gets overwhelming, or when we face the terrifying reality of our own freedom, we use noise to numb ourselves. We drown out the quiet voice inside us that asks, am I actually happy? Am I doing anything meaningful with my life? Be honest with yourself. When you're at a red light in your car, or standing in line at Chipotle, or waiting for your laundry to finish, why do you pull out your phone within 3 seconds? Because you cannot stand being alone with your own thoughts for 3 goddamn seconds. Silence feels dangerous. Boredom feels like a crisis. So instead of feeling the awkwardness or addressing the underlying anxiety about your career, your relationships, or your future, you plug in, you doom scroll. You let strangers on the internet dictate what you feel angry or excited about for the day.
Another philosopher, Friedrich Nietzsche, talked about the last man, a hypothetical future human who seeks nothing but comfort, passive entertainment, and effortless consumption. A person who takes no risks, creates nothing, and dies having never truly lived. Look around. Look at the train ride in Chicago, the subway in New York, or the coffee shop in Austin. Everyone is bent over, necks angled at 45 degrees, consuming synthetic reality, while actual, vibrant, physical life passes them by right outside the window. We are
turning into Nietzsche's worst nightmare.
All right, enough diagnosis. Let's talk about how to unfuck your focus. Notice I said realistic. I'm not going to tell you to throw your phone in the ocean, move to a cabin in Montana, and live off pine cones. We live in 2026. You need your phone for work, navigation, and staying connected. Here are 3 actionable, real-life adjustments that actually work. Rule number 1, reclaim the first and last 30 minutes of your day. When you check your phone the second you wake up, you are letting the entire world dump its emergencies, ads, and drama into your brain before you've even brushed your teeth. You're starting your day in reactive mode. The fix? Buy a $10 analog alarm clock off Amazon. Put your phone charging in the kitchen or across the bedroom at night. Wake up, drink water, make coffee, look out the window. Give your brain 30 minutes of real life before you let the digital noise in. Do the exact same thing before bed. Rule number 2, eliminate frictionless access. Motivation is bullshit. Environment design is everything. If you keep potato chips on your desk, you're gonna eat them. If TikTok is on your home screen, you're gonna tap it. The fix? Delete social media apps from your phone. Wait, but I need them. Fine, access them through the web browser on your computer. Make it annoying to log in. Adding just 2 extra steps of physical friction reduces impulse scrolling by over 60%. Force yourself to work for your distractions.
Rule 3, embrace the boredom buffer. Your brain needs downtime to process emotions, synthesize ideas, and rest. If every empty second is filled with input, your subconscious mind never gets to clear out the trash. The fix: practice micro boredom. Next time you're walking your dog, riding the bus, or waiting for a meeting to start, leave your phone in your pocket. Let your mind wander. It will feel uncomfortable for the first 4 days. You'll feel twitchy. Good. That's your brain resetting its baseline. At the end of the day, here's what it boils down to. Your attention is literally your life. Whatever you pay attention to becomes your reality. If you give your attention to 15-second rage bait videos, fake internet drama, and algorithmically generated slop, your reality will be anxious, fractured, and empty. If you reclaim your attention, you get your time back. You get your focus back. You get your life back.
The tech companies aren't going to fix this for you. Their entire business model depends on you staying hooked, tired, and compliant. No one is coming to save your focus. You have to actively defend it like it's the most valuable thing you own, because it is. So do me a favor. When this video ends, don't automatically click on another recommended video. Close YouTube, put your phone down, walk outside, take a breath, look at the sky, and go do something real. If this hit home for you, drop a comment below and tell me how many hours your screen time report called you out for this week. Subscribe if you want more honest conversations like this. Catch you guys in the next one.